Hello you guys. Today is nail day. I'm getting these babies redone. As you can see, they've grown out quite significantly and I have a date this weekend, so your girl's trying to make sure they're a little bit done. But I'm going to my favorite nail place in the city, which is Coco Nails. I'll leave their info down below. Highly recommend going there. They do incredible nail design as well as just really good quality filing, gel extensions. Those are what I have right now. But my nails are actually long enough that I can take these off and just get dip on my regular nails, which is chef's kiss. So we're gonna take these off. I'm actually going to do a square almond shape today, similar to like kind of what Hailey Bieber does. And I don't know what color yet, so we'll see. But gonna hit Trader Joe's afterwards because a snowstorm is coming and I need to make sure I have enough groceries because nothing is worse than having no food, can't do delivery, and you just gotta tough it out. So I feel like I'm in fight or flight where I'm like, we need to get food. From the nail salon, here are the new nails. They are coming up a lot darker than they actually are on camera, but they're a really pretty forest green color. This is dip and I got a coffin shape. They were mad expensive, so it was like $20 to take off the UV gel plus $50 for the dip. So it was all in all with tip like $90. So I won't be getting my nails done for at least a month because I cannot afford this lifestyle. In other exciting news, my masks came. So I bought the Evolve Together disposable black face masks. I just thought it was time. So I got 2 of them for $30 from Intermix actually, because they were having a coupon for 20% off. So I picked up 2 because 60 is a lot and I'm someone who doesn't really go out a lot during the week. So these will probably last me at least 3 months. So for me, it's worth it. And I've heard they're really good quality. So let's try them on. Definitely a pro of buying on their website is that they come in a box versus like this big bag, only because it's going to be a bit of a nuisance to store it. But okay, first things first, it feels really durable, dense even, but soft. Like the inner lining here feels really soft. And this right here does not feel uncomfortable. You know how some of them on the blue ones are really uncomfortable? And also I have to give a shout out to these. They feel like a really, really comfortable like hair tie. Wow, I love them. They fit my face. These are so comfortable. If you guys have had issues with tugging from your masks, you guys know what I'm talking about, and your ears are like this because they're getting tugged so hard. I highly recommend this. Wow, it's super comfortable and I feel like I'm very protected. I don't feel like there's a lot of gaps around it. 10 out of 10. Other snowstorm prep is some stuff from Trader Joe's, as well as I'm getting an Amazon Fresh order that's coming soon. 1, because the snowstorm, but 2, because I'm running out of food, so I might as well. But there is a Trader Joe's near my nail salon, so I want to get a few things. I'm gonna make the feta tomato pasta that everyone is raving about, and then I picked up some dumplings, some more tamales because I was like, I love them. I want to try this tomato basil hummus dip, and I got some crackers with my Amazon Fresh order. Chicken, because I'm making some lemon chicken orzo soup, and then the vanilla bean sheet cake. I actually didn't love the chocolate one, and like I ate it because it was there type thing. This one is so much better, in my opinion. Even if you're a chocolate lover, you will love this one. It is so decadent. Look at the fresh pow. Insane. Oh my gosh. Tonight, we are making the infamous feta tomato pasta. I've got my tomatoes, I've got my feta, which they only had the Israeli sheep's milk feta left at Trader Joe's because y'all are coming in hot with it. So it isn't a brine, but it will work. I'm gonna only do half of it. I feel like it's a lot of cheese. Here is the feta in all her glory. I've got her in a Le Creuset baking dish, and I did a whole package of cherry tomatoes with some salt and some pepper and some olive oil. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, 400 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes. Just get a nice roast on the tomatoes and obviously get the feta to be nice and creamy. let's test to make sure it's soft. Okay, well, it's not as soft as I was expecting it to be, but it looks like it's still melting pretty good. So, insane. I'm also gonna chop up some parsley to go on top. But look at that. My pasta's boiling. Almost done. Looks so good. We've got our gal Peyton Sarton on the TV today. I love watching her vlogs. You guys absolutely should check her out if you haven't. She just reminds me of me when I was living in LA, and I miss it, so I always love catching up with her vlogs. Got a candle going. We made the bed. We need to fluff up the couch. The kitchen is a little bit of a mess because I was cleaning it, so I gotta pick that up. And then we gotta take all this out, so lots to do. Where the heck is my electric whisk? And I'm sure you guys have those moments where you're like, I know I have something, I know I didn't throw it away, but for some reason I cannot find it, and I've looked everywhere. So that is me right now, and it's really annoying because I've looked everywhere where I thought it could be, and it still wasn't there. So we'll do one last search before buying it on Amazon again, which I hate when that happens. I'm like, no, I know it's in here, I'm going to find it. So that's my journey for today, and then I need to hit up the grocery store later. I'm having my friend Shayla over for drinks, so I need to make a fun cocktail for us to pre-game with before going to dinner with some friends. Well, it wouldn't be a moving vlog if I didn't misplace something, so I do think it is lost. I may have thrown it away on accident, which I'm like, gosh darn it, how could I do that? So it's all good. It's just money, right? I'm gonna go order a new one on Amazon. So I'm bummed, you guys. The one that I previously had bought is no longer in stock. I don't think they sell it on Amazon anymore. So I picked up this one. It's a 3-speed frother with a rechargeable USB cord, and it's got 2 attachments. So you've got like a literal whisk, and then you've got this spiralized whisk. And I'm hoping that it's a good one. It looks really great, so we'll see. It comes on Wednesday. Exciting package. I got my Health Aid order. So I placed a big order of the Health Aid sampler. I believe this is the variety pack sampler. So it comes with the Pink Lady apple, which is really good, passion fruit tangerine, watermelon, bubbly rose, pomegranate, and tropical punch. I've only tried the Pink Lady apple and the pomegranate. So the rest of these I'm really excited to try. And I've just really been on a big kombucha kick, and I had a 25% off coupon, so we picked these up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna refrigerate these, but in case if you guys do ever wanna buy from them, it came in this insulated box with ice cubes. So it was really, really nice to have that like extra sealant on there. I wasn't nervous about the bottles breaking or cracking. They're in perfect condition, so I'm really excited to crack one of these open. I don't know if this is the best way to store them, but they actually take up a lot of space, so I may try to find a cabinet to put them in because I'm obviously not going to drink them all right now. Then I also have my Spindrift, so as you guys can tell, I really like my fizzy drinks. I stopped by the Japanese grocery store because I wanted to get some lychee for the drinks tonight. I decided I'm gonna make some lychee martinis, so I just picked up a can of lychees and syrup. My friend Jules has a great recipe that I'm actually stealing from her, so shout out to you, Jules. Thanks for letting me steal it. It is such a good recipe and it's really easy. It's literally just the lychee and the canned juice and vodka, but it's gotta be some top tier vodka because otherwise it can taste really like, ooh, like a bad punch. So I'm gonna have to go pick up the vodka in a little bit. Okay, I'm trying the Health Aid Bubbly Rose Kombucha. I opened it, it was not shaking, it did not explode, so good to know that they were very well secured in transit. Oh, that is really nice. I don't know what that tastes like. It definitely doesn't have any sort of like rose flavor to it, but it's got a slight sweetness that I really like. It definitely cuts the bitter, sometimes like bready, yeasty taste of a kombucha. It is another rainy day in New York City. I'm signing off now. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please subscribe down below and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.